Hello dear students, I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapit Residential School Shivpuri, and I welcome you to watch my channel. I want to explain you so many things through my channel, through my videos, and I hope that you will understand also that fact. Okay, so today I am going to deliver a lecture on very important topic. That is very important topic to all the people, not only students but also for all the peoples. Well, you have listened, or it may be that your father may be a farmer also. So today, the topic of today's discussion is farmer. And what is the importance of farmer in our society? You know, farmer is very essential part of our society who gives everything to the people to eat. If farmer does nothing, we cannot eat. We cannot survive without farmer because farmer is the source of energy, you can say, in other words also. Because farmer supplies to eat everything to the cities. He grows everything to eat us. So farmer is the great source of energy, you can say. Well, it is the source of energy. It gives everything to us. So it's very interesting and very nice and holy name of people who works in their fields. So farmer is a very useful person in our society. And he meets our basic needs also. It means, for example, you can see that wheat, pulse, so many vegetables, he grows in his field, and after arrives its crops, and he supplies the crops from the village to cities. So we are surviving in the city. And he grows corn just like I told you, and he wears so simple clothes, not so shining clothes or so party clothes or shoes, you can say. So he wears very simple clothes. He is simple man of the society, and he does very valuable work for the society. He works day and night for the public welfare, because the farmers are growing different kinds of the things to eat, so we are surviving in the society, in the cities also. Suppose we have so lot of money, but there is no something to eat. Can be possible to survive in the world? Can be possible that we can live in the society? No, can't be possible. We cannot imagine about us or our lives without farmer. So the farmer is bird. It is very pious and holy bird. And he is simple man, you can say. And you can say that his heart is so pure, you can say. You can check any time. Farmers are found in full or pure hearted. There is no any types of wrong feelings or sentimentals. You can say there is no any bad things or bad thoughts in their brain, in their heart also. And he lives in villages also mostly. And you can see that farmer is the old, and we can see that old culture. Farmer is the symbol and the picture of old ancient part of India, our Indian culture. It is the picture of Indian culture. Real India lives in villages in the form of farmers. Do you know? Farmers are very powerful, energetic, and they work day and night for the welfare of public, you say. And so we can say his life is very hard, full of difficulties and problems, and but he faced easily. He faced so many problems and accept the challenges in their lives. And so we can say that he works day and night and all time in the fields and grows different kinds of vegetables and corns and wheats so that we are living in the cities. Eh? So we are able to provide the different kinds of services. For example, teaching. Teaching services depends on farmer, you say, indirectly. No farmer, no teacher. So it's a very interesting thing. He is happy to see his ripe and crops. Sometimes when he sees his green and so ripe crop in his field, he becomes so happy. And after it, and crops and threshes it also. And then sells corn in the market. Then he gains money from the businessmen. Thus he survives. Thus he lives his livelihood, or he earns livelihood. So it is full of difficulties and problems. So he faces different kinds of the problems which are coming in the field of, in the path of farmer, you know. He is illiterate, you know very well that thing. He don't know how to write and read. But you can see that modern science, modern farmers know how to write and read. Simply, but no, not a higher level of education there. And so it proves or improves the condition of the farmers. So government is trying more and more to improve the quantity and quality of the farmers. And condition, measurable condition. So you can find the measurable condition of farmers also in these days in villages. So government is trying always. Modi Sarkar, you can see that Modi government is trying to improve the condition and measurable condition of the farmers. She is providing 6,000 rupees per year, I think. Eh? Why? So Modi government is providing 6,000 rupees per year to improve the measurable condition of the farmer nowadays. So you can see that the future of India depends on farmers. And farmers sometimes nature, you can see that farmers life and production of crop depends on nature. Sometimes nature deceives. Sometimes nature deceives the farmers, so they become unable to grow different kinds of the vegetables and corns and you can say crops. But you can say that so the government must do for the welfare of farmer. Insurance of the crop is also done nowadays. If there is no rain in the rainy season, you can see that the crop is depends on rainy season. So if there is no rain and there is a drought in the field, so insurance of crop is done nowadays. So some helping money, you can economic, you can see that financial support should can be provided to the farmers nowadays. So that is the management or that is arrangement of financial help to the farmer is provided nowadays. So it is very interesting fact and topic to the students. So students try to understand the concept of Farmers. So farmer is very pious and holy name of people who are working in the fields day and night. Okay, so it was very interesting. It was very interesting subject on which we were discussing. If you have any kind of problem related to any discussion, you can say me through your videos or through your message. I will accept your complaint and try to solve your problem. Okay, so I am committed. I told you many times, I am devoted in your service. Always I will provide you different kinds of the services through my channel. Okay, so it is very interesting. It was very interesting chapter to all the students to understand the concept of crops and farmer. Well, so all the people depends or depend on each other. You can see that different kinds of the facilities are provided from the cities to the farmer, and farmer supplies to eat something to the citizens who are living in the cities. So you can say that both the peoples are equal. You can see that farmers and citizens who are living in cities, so both are interdependent. You can see that, so both are complement. You can see that complement, you say. So for people who are living in cities depends on farmer, and to take to eat something to survive in the cities, and farmers depends on people who are living in cities for service. They are providing services, different kinds of the services, so both are equal. Okay, but so the farmer was the main topic of today's discussion. So it was a nice discussion. I hope that you will understand and you will like this topic too much. Okay, so thank you to join my VIP program, Hello Improve English. Okay, so thank you once more again.